Welcome to Nature Store. Eagle is amazing burden, the world. The life story of an eagle is a fascinating journey that involves survival, growth, and the eventual mastery of the skies. While every eagle's life is unique, there are common stages and experiences that all eagles share as they grow from helpless chicks to powerful hunters. Let's take a look at the life story of an eagle, focusing on a typical cycle in the life of a bald eagle, one of the most iconic species. Also, eagle is teach to 10 lessons to us. Eagle is one of the bird make kingdom for themselves. Eagle is make their kingdom in the highest place. The eagle has only one mate for the rest of its life. If one dies, the other dies within a week. Looks better than people, right? Second longest living bird in the world is eagle. How many years does the eagle live? 70 years, but for the eagle to live to be 70 years old, it will have to make great sacrifices. Here comes the first crisis for the eagle. By age 40, all his nails are bent. In the casual life, eagle can take a man for meal. But at the age of 40, not even a mouse can hunt. The eagle beak is curved. So that cannot be eaten. The eagle's two huge wings thicken. The eagle is fastest bird, but eagle finds it difficult to fly. This time the eagle gets to options: either should die or be prepared for a very painful 150 days sacrifice. Can you tell what the eagle will decide? Will change, ready to die. What decision would you make if you were an eagle? The eagle is not ready to accept death. Eagle builds its territory on a rock of Therivana. Here he goes now. Go and do what? It first plan flies fast and smashes its beak on a rock. He removes his crooked beak. What to do next? Stay hungry until the new beak grows. After that the eagle sits without shaking its head for about 50 days. Why is that? The eagle's new beak grows from the blood that dripped from the old beak. If he shakes his head, that blood clot will go away. The eagle will lose its new beak. A python comes and wraps itself around the eagle, but he remains silent. Give life to the python. As the eagle's new beak grows, it breaks off its old claws. It breaks off its old claws and throws them away. After that it stays there. The eagle suffered for 5 months to reach this state. Did it hurt? The eagle. What did the eagle get? 30 years of new life? If you do something with dedication, the rewards will be great. That energy can build a whole life.